Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. So today we will be learning how to delete apps on your Android mobile phone. To delete application on your Android mobile phone, it is extremely simple. All you've got to do is open your mobile phone and select an app that you would like to delete. You just need to long press hold on it and you get two options, app info and uninstall. Now you gotta do is tap uninstall, and when you do that you get new option, delete Sahara app, the app that you would like to delete. After uninstallation, all the app data will be cleared. So you need to be careful in this step, because if you have your account logged in or information that you have stored that you would like to keep it, you should not be deleting the application, because once you uninstall it, all the data will be lost. Like suppose I have uninstalled, all the data of the Sahara app will be lost. Now even if I am to install the application once again, it will no longer be the same. So that is it. That is how you delete application on your Android mobile phone. If this was helpful to you in any ways, please leave a like, comment if you have any queries regarding Android mobile phones, and subscribe if you want more of these content. Thank you so much for watching.